Deadman's Isle is out and available right now as a limited edition scent. And this bad boy is papaya, coconut, pink peppercorn, tangerine, all over an aquatic base. Now, of course, this is by Deadman's Beard Co. My affiliate discount code, you guys, is COMMAND15. You can always save 15% off your order, support what we do here, and check out a great American-made, small batch, husband, wife-owned company. Love it here. This, stupidly good. Like, stupidly good, you guys. This is a tropical aquatic cologne. Now, I'm a massive fan of citrus aquatic colognes, which my wife Sam C, that's her favorite category. This is right there. Now, we do have the tangerine, so gotcha. But the papaya, the coconut, pink peppercorn, not really sure what that smells like, but the papaya and the coconut in here gives it that tropical vibe, but also has that aquatic cologne base. Now, if you don't know what an aquatic cologne is, I'm not the best in the world at describing that type of stuff. I'm not a cologne guy, but to me, it is a fresh, bright cologne. It is not something that's super musky. It's not dark in any way. It's not the like musky, like, woo, oh man, the old guy's getting ready in the gym locker room and they put on the aftershaver cologne and you're like, oh, yeah, you smell old. No. This is a bright, tropical, little bit fruity, little bit citrusy cologne scent, but not the most cologne-y, just more on that kind of fresh vibe. I don't know. Somebody recently asked me, how does Deadman's, literally someone just asked me, how does Deadman's keep making banger after banger? What's their secret? I don't know. Genuinely don't know. I'm not good at creating scents. Whatever Bryant has found out in his way to keep growing is incredible. And I told them, I said, he's just a mixologist. He researches like a madman. He practices. He is relentless with his standard. He will not stop until it is right, or he'll move on to something else and make it work. He really is dedicated to making this happen. Now, if you go back to the beginning, I highly encourage anybody, especially if you're skeptical, like, oh, this is an affiliate. Of course, if you're skeptical, go back to my original review of Deadman's Beard Co. I haven't said that in quite some time. Go back to that original and see what I thought of the products then. Also, specifically, check out how I thought of the scents. They weren't for me. They weren't bangers, in my opinion. They weren't great. Looking back, when he started, they probably were good for a new small batch company getting going, but they just weren't my thing. Now it is banger after banger and just knocks the park out with these scents. Said that a little bit jumbled, but you guys get the idea. I have this available in butter and available in spray cologne. Spray cologne I will use from time to time. This bottle's gonna last me forever. I probably won't use all of this just because I'm not a super cologne guy. But if I'm going to a date, if I'm going out to an event, a speaking event, something like that, I'm sure as heck going to use that. One thing I appreciate, I left it on here just to be able to show you guys, is they put a little sticker on the butter that gives you a warning that it's hot. It is summer. When you receive this, it may be melted. What do I do in the summer, you guys? This is a little bit of free game here. I get my beard product packages and I put them in the fridge or freezer. I don't open the package, I don't shake them up, I don't stir it, I don't do anything. I simply get the package and put it in the fridge or freezer, and it's entirely fine. Now, it might sit on its side, and it might be a liquid butter, and as it goes in the fridge or freezer, it might settle right here, so your line isn't exactly right. That's okay. Get in there. If you really have any issues, melt the product down, leave the cap off, put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, let it sit there and solidify, and then you will be good to go. It'll be smooth. It'll be back to its normal state. It is not something to worry about, but I love how they put the sticker, and they're not the only ones, but I love how they put the sticker over the butter. So you have to see this before opening up. If you open it and it's melted and it spills on your shirt or spills on the kitchen floor, that's on you. That's user error. But really, really enjoy that. You guys, this scent is fantastic. Now, somebody recently commented on an update video and they were like, hey, I care more about the carriers. You just talk about the scent. That's fair. I do too. I agree. But with a company like this that I've covered, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 times, I'm not going to go over the carrier every time. I'm not going to go over the origin every time. I'm not going to go over those fine details that have been covered along the way. If you have questions, I'm more than happy to answer them in the comments though. Please don't hesitate. Just know that there is a reason on some videos I'm mainly focusing on scents because there's no other change than this new scent. Now, outside of that, if you saw the title, I do have some news. Some of the news includes a clearance section that has been recently added to Deadman's. Check that out if you're looking for a bargain or a deal, or to scope out some products that are likely leaving soon. Yeah, sad, but check that out. And then the last update is to the main line, right? A lot of you love limited edition scents. Some of you are frustrated with them. One thing I love is it's just testing the market. If a scent does well by numbers, does well by feedback, it puts pressure on the company to add it to the main line to always be available. They want to sell products to you guys, but they got to manage inventory. They've got to be smart with their margins and numbers. Well, Barber's Reserve, the barbershop scent by Deadman's, is now added to the main lineup. Just simply because you guys demanded it, the numbers demanded it, and it's one of the greatest barbershop scents of all time. If you guys don't know, Bryant, the owner of this company, I don't know if it's current or if it's past or if it's both, but he is a barbershop owner. So he knew that world. He crushed it. That is available. Down below in the comments, you guys, this is out right now. Have you tried it yet? Put a comment. If you get it, let's say you watch this video and then in a week you receive it, let us know your thoughts. What does it smell like to you? How does it rank for you? Any feedback at all? Some of you are just chef's kiss with your descriptions, and it really helps out this community. So thank you guys for watching today. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.